Just an update on the creamsicle. Now, you can see that I've pushed. What are we talking at? What? You can see that I've pushed the a lot of the contents from the floor back to the way back so I can get up in here. This thing's not quite tall enough for me to stand up in. So, being lazy that I am, went in and put a chair in there and then sat there and kind of, you can now see the diamond plate floor, all the shelves with all the bolts and everything. There is so much stuff in this thing. I'm starting to see some of the actually organization to the chaos. All these hydraulic hoses and everything, they need to be put over here on this side with this hydraulic reel. This is a reel that can pull out and operate hydraulic tools with, like jacks and everything. This guy did diesel work. There's more, what is it? Just big parts, I guess, from diesels and different things, and all these hydraulic hoses and everything. Obviously, either he pulled them off or they have a purpose in tools and different things. So I'm going to be trying to reorganize this stuff. I still haven't got the compressors running. The one's a 220 over here, and this one's a gas. And then under this massive rear bumper are where all the air tanks are. They're all up under that and everything. And there's got to be 200 gallons of air on this thing. It's crazy. Electrical outlets, you can plug the truck in from an extension cord, or what he had was his welder was up in the front there, and there's a diesel welder, and you can see he ran it with the exhaust obviously coming back into the cab here, or the back end here. Anyway, and so then he could plug in, because that would run the lights in here and everything else. And so I'm slowly figuring it out and putting it back together and everything. The welder was taken out, obviously, from the people that impounded it, and they took off the dryer. There was a dryer between the two compressors. They took that out. I have another one, but it's attached to a compressor right now. So I'm gonna have to find out if I want to put it in here or not. I don't run a lot of air tools, so I would use this more for airing up a tire here and there, or running maybe some air tools, but this is way overkill for what I need. So anyway, so back to the pile of junk here. It's like, all right, it's not all just junk. I'm starting to see what there is here. Like, he's got every pin known to man up in the front there to, pin up hydraulics and different things, and, pins that have come off of hydraulics. Just a myriad of stuff. So I'm going to try and get some order going on here. This hose reel here is the air hose. So for me, I bought it for the crane unit, of course. And I've still got to use it. My building's still lying on the ground because we've had so stupid much snow. Here it is, almost over in March, and this snow has got, I don't know, it's got to go away. We have calves that are going to start coming on and everything, and I don't want them being born in the snow and cold. But anyway, so this is just a little update. I'm pecking at this thing a little bit at a time. It's been so cold this winter that every time I'd come out here, it was like, oh, I just can't bring myself to be sitting in this metal box at 40 below. So today was 35 degrees or something, or not even that much, about maybe 32. So I came out here and spent maybe 45 minutes messing with this thing. So anyway, it is coming along, and I'll keep you in progress. Found hopefully the master wire that runs all the lights in here, looks like it got cut. It really frustrates me that people did what they did to this truck, because this guy spent a lot of time, and I have a lot of respect for the effort he put into this thing. And people just came in and basically robbed it. And you know, there's a lot of cool tools and stuff though that I've been digging through this stuff and finding and everything. So we'll get her back, we'll get her cleaned up. And in fact, I've got a little Miller welder that I might figure out a way to put in here. I'll try it, and if I do it, I'll try and figure out a way to get the exhaust to go outside rather than just run it inside here. So anyway, there's an update. It's coming along. As the weather gets better, we'll get more done.